In today's video, how to remove negative content from Quora.com, the all-famous questions and answers website. Now, I've iterated on this topic many times before because we've talked about suppressing on Reddit, okay? We've talked about suppressing on questions and answer sites and forums, and it's often the same. These things are sticky. Once they submit in search results, once they index, they're very hard to remove because Google favors conversation, especially if there's 4 or 5 conversations around a particular topic. You might see Quora right there at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 links, and maybe half of them or all of them are negative, and that's stressful. So my recommendation to you is slowly but surely create new conversations that are positive, that you can orchestrate. Okay, what does that mean? If there's negative Quora posts, try to get on Reddit. Reddit's a bit more authoritative than Quora, for example. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make a subreddit about our company or our name. We're gonna make sure we control it so we can ban and moderate that subreddit. If anybody writes something negative, we can lock the comments if we want to. Then we'll write something positive about a development. We'll add a few comments, have our friends or somebody we know write positive comments there as well. Or depending on, we're not gonna make false claims about a product, okay? But if we have people leaving their honest opinion and feedback there and generating real conversation, in addition to content outside of just generating more Reddit posts or more Quora posts, it's a great strategy. Okay, so again, make real conversation on sites that allow for threads, similarly to Reddit, similarly to Quora. It's going to help you a ton. In addition to that, follow all the other best practices. Do personal websites, try to create content on a regular basis, post multimedia in those posts that you publish on Quora and other sites, and then rinse and repeat, keep doing it. You're gonna need a lot of patience if, for example, those negative posts are very, very popular. We have negative posts all over Quora. You can't outrank it just by, creating more content and controlling it. It doesn't disappear. Okay, we can look into some other tactics. We can do a Reddit post. From that Reddit post, we can launch an ad, okay? It's automatically going to get likes. Google's going to see some more metrics and activity. Possibly it's going to outrank it. But it's really using these standard operating procedures, these practices, and then just volumizing, putting as much content behind it as possible until it gets ranking, okay? Reputation management isn't 100% guaranteed at all times, okay? But we can vastly increase the likelihood by putting a lot of volume and a lot of quality behind certain networks and content, and that's what you're going to need to do. If you need the volume, you need the quality, click the link in the description down below, and I'd be happy to chat. My name's Nadernejad, and thank you for watching.